Hey, this is still like extremely crazy. Why does this feel faster than my car?
It does feel faster than my car.
Like, didn't I just go faster? I'm so confused. Holy shit, dude.
Oh, the brakes. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
My bad. I thought I would have cleared that.
Oh man.
All right, here. No more handbrake for now. Let's be safe. Let's be responsible, safe people.
Oh my gosh. Wild.
This feels more planted than my car, honestly.
Well, now with all the weight,
Yeah,
it
we
might
got
be.
all these people in here.
We're adding like 2K
Holy
to the springs
shit.
right now.
Without traction control feels
Oh,
way different.
fuck.
Yeah, it's way better.
Crazy. What the fuck? I swear this is faster than me.
Oh,
I'm so confused.
Shit.
Oh, that mark is from the guy in the Miata.
Oh, yeah.
He locked him up there.
Dude, it's way better with traction control off, dude. Fuck traction control.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get sick again. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh, what makes this so nuts? I'm so confused.
Fuck.
Dude, I don't understand. I seriously, I'm highly confused.
I am
The
flooring it.
fastest
This
thing you
is
will ever
like...
drive is a rental car.
Yep.
Like, I swear I was going faster than this, but this feels so fast.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's no bolstering back here.
I know.
We're just holding on to these headrests.
Oh my god.
Dang, that's roller coaster status for real.
Oh, dude.
Season pass and freaking.
Like the 7 Flags Atlantis.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Maria. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Son of a. Oh, there's the possum.
There's the possum.
oh yeah, there you go. Killed in action.
Yeah.
He's ran over twice. He's still alive.
Oh, fuck. Something, I think it's just like the amount of travel in the suspension.
Is that what it is?
It just gives her that like fear factor, and the fact that we're on skinny ass tires.
Yeah.
Holy shit, we're at the edge of like grip all the time.
He does these sharp turn-ins. And
I know.
It's nuts.
Shit.
Oh gosh. I can feel a little bit of the heat soak now. Woo! Freaking torque loss.
It's so... Yeah, dude, this is like... he's slower than it was before, and I don't know how that's possible. Well, I mean, obviously the weight, but...
Those brakes feel like they're biting, man. The nosedive be real.
Yeah, those.
Oh, son of a. Oh yeah, I just adjusted myself and I almost flew into you right now. I was like, literally my pants flew off. Like I was pulling my pants up right
I'm gonna
now.
turn around now.
What the hell? This is not how physics works.
Yeah, it's not.
This is well balanced, actually. Jesus.
It's because of us, because we're balancing. I tell you, driver bod, man. I told you, like, he'll wax your ass with a burrito. Nice.
Wow.
It was in my driving line.
It was in this line.
That was definitely possum jump.
Oh, that was a possum.
Yeah, jumped on the possum. Wow.
Oh, I've never looked at out the side. Oh my gosh, there really is a ravine.
Yep.
I can't believe it. It feels like we're hitting more than like 1.5 G's. Like, holy shit. I swear, my pants keep falling off.
I got like dust in my eye. Oh, fuck.